Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. This is Sandhya Jadhav, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to do English grammar. And today's grammar topic is subject and predicate. So, let's start. Students, in the last class, you have learned about the types of the sentences. A sentence always talks about something, which could be a person, place, animal, or thing. In other words, a sentence tells us something about a noun. Complete sentence has two parts. One is subject and other is predicate. But what is a subject and what is a predicate? So let's learn. The part of a sentence that talks about a noun is the subject of the sentence. Okay, students? And what is a predicate? The other part of the sentence that tells us about the subject is the predicate of the sentence. So, understood the meaning of subject and predicate? Now, let's move. See one example over here. People from all nations go to see the Eiffel Tower. So, which is the subject and which is the predicate over here? Let's see. People from all the nations means we are talking about the people from all the nations. So, it is a naming part. So, that is why it is the subject. And go to see the Eiffel Tower is the predicate. Why it is the predicate? Because it is a telling part. It is telling something about the subject. It is telling what the subject is doing. It means it is telling what the people from all the nations are doing. People from all the nations go to see the Eiffel Towers. So, predicate is go to see the Eiffel Tower. So, student, every complete sentence contains two parts, a subject and predicate. The subject is what or whom the sentence is about. Means what we are talking, about whom we are talking is known as subject, while the predicate tells something about the subject. Okay, so sentence means subject and predicate. Let's see this example. The children are enjoying in the park. So here subject is the children because we are talking about the children. And what we are talking about the children? That they are enjoying in the park. So predicate is are enjoying in the park. Second example, Ron and Sam go to the same school. Here we are talking about Ron and Sam. So they are the subjects. And what we are talking about them? That they go to the same school. So predicate is go to the same school. Look at this picture so that you will get this concept thoroughly. The tiger is in the zoo. Here we are talking about the tiger. So subject is the tiger and predicate is in the zoo. Where is the tiger? Tiger is in the zoo. So predicate is in the zoo. Next example, Ravi is playing football. So we are talking about the Ravi. So Ravi is a subject and predicate is playing football. What Ravi is doing? He is playing the football. So predicate here is playing a football. Understood, students? What is the subject and what is the predicate? See here. How to find out the subject and how to find the predicate. Let's learn. Ask who or what the sentence are doing, means who or what the sentence is all about. So it is known as the subject. And in predicate, ask what the subject is doing. So you will get the predicate. Second, find the main person or the thing in the sentence. And for predicate, look that for a word that shows a action, what the subject is doing, what the subject is performing. So it is a predicate. And students, the subject is usually a noun, means it is a person, place or a thing, or pronoun like he, she or they. Okay. And for predicate, you have to look at the verb and it ending with ed or ing. Okay. The subject is usually at the beginning of the sentence. शुरुआत में होता है sentence के before the verb, and the verb usually comes after the subject. In this way, you have to find out the subject and predicate from the sentences. Understood, students? Now let's do the assignment. Assignment. Find out subject and predicate from the following sentences. Example 1. Birds fly. So here we are talking about the birds. So birds is the subject. And what the birds are doing? Birds are flying. So fly is the predicate. Second example, the puppy is in the garden. So we are talking about the puppy. So the puppy is a subject and predicate is in the garden. What we are talking about the puppy? That puppy is in the garden. Third example, Radha is going to the school. So Radha is the subject because we are talking about the Radha. And what we are talking about the Radha? What the Radha is doing? She is going to the school. So predicate is going to the school. Fourth example, the little tree was covered with a snow. So subject is the little tree and was covered with a snow is a predicate. Example number 5. My friend and I won the match. So here we are talking about myself and my friends. So my friend and I are the subject and predicate is won the match. Example number 6. Dogs are popular pets. Here we are talking about the dogs. So dogs are the subject and predicate is are popular pets. Next example. We studied hard for the test. Here we are talking about we. Here now, here we have used pronoun. So pronoun is we. So it is a subject. And what is the predicate? Studied hard for the test. Next example. My friend and I are going for a picnic. So subject is my friend and I and predicate is are going for a picnic. I hope everyone understood this concept, subject and predicate very well. It's very easy. You have to solve this assignment in your notebook. Thank you, students. Thank you so much for listening. Be safe and take care. Thank you.